This is Chrissy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making a necklace board for my closet. All you'll need is a shelf, some tacks, paint, and Velcro. You can find all these items at Lowe's, and I will place that information at the bottom of the video. First, I went ahead and sprayed down the board. Don't spray too much at once or you'll end up with droplets. To glam it up a bit, I use some glitter spray paint. Now that everything's dry, let's position our tacks and hammer them in. If you're creating one of these for a gift, it would be good to make sure that they're precise, but I went ahead and just eyeballed it. Position your Velcro wherever you like. I went ahead and put them on each corner. All done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like, and oh, please hit the bell at the bottom.